What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Just a very quick one today. So my last video was the Corsa C, how to remove and refit the radio and the radio fuse. I'm putting the radio back in. As you've probably seen in the video if you've watched it, it comes up with a safe mode because I've had it disconnected from the power. I wasn't sure on this myself, so I thought I'd best cover it just in case you guys have the same problem. So you got to imagine you just fitted your stereo, so come round here. You just put the stereo back in. As you can see, my screws are still hanging out. Sorry about the dog. And it's going to come up saying safe mode. Just can't see that screen very well. It's going to come up saying safe mode in the bottom right hand corner of your little screen there. So what you want to do is hold in. First of all, make sure you've actually got the radio code. It should be in your logbook somewhere. When you know the code, hold in this AS button here. Hold it in for a couple of seconds and then press the power button while you're still holding the AS button in, which will bring up, it'll mess about for a minute and then it'll come up with you to enter a code, and you get 10 chances to do this code, so try and get it right. Now, as you're going to see, these numbers only go up to 5, but a number in your code could be 8, 7, 9. So it'll be a 4-digit code. So you've got to look at it like this. Your first number, your second number, your third number, and your fourth number. This is how to do it on this keypad. So your first number, say if your first number is 6, you're going to press 1 6 times to get to 6. It'll come up on the screen as well as you're doing it. And your second number, say 4, you press 2 4 times to get to 4, so on and so forth, until you put all 4 digits in. When the code's there on the screen, you're happy with it, you then literally just hold in the AS button and keep it held in until it flashes up with menu and starts rescanning all the channels. That's when you know your code's worked and your stereo's back on. If you disconnect your battery or anything like that, you're going to have the same sort of problem. Make sure you've got the radio code first, because you don't want to try it 10 times over and block the radio, because then you will have problems. Other than that guys, that's the safe code for a Corsa C stereo. Hope this helps, and I'll see you again next time. Peace.